One of the first round matches at the 2025 Hong Kong Open will see Katie Boulter take on Alexandra Ayala. Boulter's only phase of success in 2025 came at an ITF event in Paris where she won the final against the home favorite, Chloe Parquet. However, on the main tour, the British player has reached only one quarterfinal this year, reaching last 8 in Nottingham. Alex Ayala been equally active in both the main tour and the ITF tour, winning a challenger title in Guadalajara. She reached her maiden final in Eastbourne, losing to Maya Joint in very close final. However, the Filipina most notable run came earlier this year when she reached the semi-final at the Miami Open, beating Iga Swiatek en route. This is the first meeting between Katie Boulter and Alexandra Ayala on WTA Tour. So good luck guys. Good luck Alex, please.